Hello all, this is Dr. Swati, Ayurveda Health and Beauty Consultant. Today we will be going to talk something about vitamins. As we all know that we have heard so many things about vitamins here and there. The word white refers to the life. The vitamins are nothing but those are the things that which gives energy to our body, that which helps in the maintenance of the body, and that which helps in the growth of the body also. Mainly these vitamins helps in the metabolism of the body. So we understood the function of the vitamins. Now, as we all know, the people are telling you have to have a vitamin rich foods. So there are two types of vitamins. One is water soluble vitamin and the fat soluble vitamins. These are the two categories of vitamins. The vitamins that which dissolve in fat, for example, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K, are called as fat soluble vitamins. The vitamins that which get dissolved in water are called as vitamin B as well as vitamin C. So now you understood what are fat soluble vitamins as well as water soluble vitamins. So now let us understand about vitamin A. Whether vitamin A is available in plant source food or what the vitamin A is called as and in which form the vitamin A is present in plant source. Vitamin A is called as retinol and it is one among the fat soluble vitamin which is only present in animal origin foodstuffs like butter, ghee, egg, fish, liver, then oil which is derived from fish. All these are of richer source of vitamin A. Plant source does not contain this retinols or vitamin A, but they contain certain form of it or it is having yellow or orange pigment in it which is called as carotenoids, which is converted as retinol or vitamin A inside the body when you consume orange colored food. Even yellow colored food can also be taken in order to get vitamin A. These carotenoids are called as precursor of vitamin A. These carotenoids are widely present in plant or even the fruits. For example, if you are considering the yellow colored fruit like the papaya or if you want to consider the fruits like orange, all these contains beta carotenoids which convert into the vitamin A or retinol inside the bodies. And when you are taking the vegetables like the carrot or pumpkin also contains this beta carotenoids, or spinach leaves, mustard leaves, or any kind of leafy vegetables when you are eating those, what happens is when you are taking that as food, it will be converted in the body into retinol and which provides the vitamin A for you. This vitamin A is very much required for having a good vision, to have a very good healthy skin, that which keeps, this vitamin A keeps the skin soft and epithelial cells are soft and moist. It helps for the bone regeneration or bone growth. It helps in all other metabolic process inside the body also. Vitamin A is also very much needed for your hair health, thus by preventing the damage or breakage of your hairs. Okay, if you are having vitamin A properly, then there might be reduce in the split ends or dryness of the hairs. That is very much important for your daily usage. Thus, it helps in overall body metabolism process. It gives you good skin, it gives you good hair, it helps in your good vision, it helps in the growth of the body. Hence, consumption of vitamin A regularly in a proper quantity is very, very essential for the body for its proper metabolism. Thank you.